How to change currency on Airbnb. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look out for a method on how we can change our currency on Airbnb. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to open your Airbnb app. You may just download it from Play Store if you are on an Android device, and then make sure you are logged in. After that, this kind of interface will appear on your screen. So in order to change your currency on Airbnb, you just need to go to your profile. After going to your profile, just go to payments and payouts. Here you see this at the very top right, a currency sign. So what you can do is just tap on that currency sign. After that, change it into any currency that you want. Let's say I want to change it into Chinese, so I'm just gonna change it, and you can see my currency has been changed. After that, whenever I pay or pay out, my currency will be in Chinese currency. If I am in China and I want to book an Airbnb on China, I may just change it into Chinese currency. So in that way, therefore, you can change your currency on Airbnb by following this methods easily. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.